In number 25, again, we have a complex fraction. We want to factor this one denominator here so that we can see what the factors really are. So we have 3 times x minus 5 down here. And then notice the relationship between these other denominators. X minus 5 and 5 minus x are really the exact same thing except for a factor of -1. So we can take 5 minus x. We could rewrite that as negative x minus 5. And we're going to take this into account when we do our multiplication of the least common denominator. Our least common denominator in this problem is not going to be 5 minus x times x minus 5 because they are really the same number, save that factor of -1. So the LCD, we're going to have the 3, and then we're going to use the x minus 5. In places where we multiply through by that and we have the 5 minus x, what will happen is that we're just left over with a negative. You'll see what I mean. So on top, we're going to multiply through by 3 times x minus 5 over 1. And on the bottom, we're going to multiply by 3 times x minus 5 over 1. Remember that this would have to distribute. So I'm going to rewrite it over here just for housekeeping purposes and keeping things neat. Okay? Now, let's go ahead with our multiplication on the top. Notice the x minus 5 and 5 minus x cancel except that we're left with a negative. Now on top, we have 3 times -4 is -12. On the bottom left, again, x minus 5 divided by 5 minus x is a -1. I'll just put the negative in front of the 2 there, and now when I multiply, I get -6. On the bottom right, the 3's cancel, the x minus 5's cancel, and we just get 1. -12, -6 plus 1 is -5, and then the negatives divide out, and we just get 12/5 for our answer.